Hi guys, welcome back. So today I wanted to talk about the new 2019 Subaru Ascent. So I'm no longer working with Subaru, but I'm working in the same auto mall as the Subaru dealership, so I'm going to be able to go check them out and possibly test drive them and maybe even do reviews on all the Subaru models as they come out for 2019. But so this Ascent is going to be something that's really exciting. It's something that's a lot different than any of the other cars, and I'll go into a couple of those details. But the main thing that I'm actually excited about is that it's replacing the Tribeca, which the Tribeca was, now, don't take any offense, but it was one of the worst cars that we ever had. We had one set on the lot for over a year. You know, they're just super like slow selling cars. They weren't good as far as the sales side was concerned. Some of the older ones, '09s, stuff like that, were good, but 2013s and 14s, they did not sell. We had like two of them, and they took a year to sell. So a couple of things that are going to be different about the Ascent than any other Subaru that's out there is it's going to be the first car that they have that has eyesight standard. I'm actually going to do a separate video on eyesight itself, but it's really cool. It's the highest rated collision avoidance system on the market. It's an awesome system that's been tried out since '99 in Japan and 2010 in the United States. Also, the Ascent is going to be the first Subaru that's got 20-inch wheels. It's going to be the highest towing capacity out of any Subaru that's existed. The Tribeca, which I'm going to do a video on why the Tribeca failed after this, I believe, as well. But it's going to have the highest towing capacity, 5,000 pounds. It's going to be either 7 or 8 passengers. So the touring model, I believe, is the one that's going to have 7 passengers, and it doesn't come in 8 in the touring model. And I believe the rest are going to be standard with 8 seats. So it's got the captain chairs in the middle on the touring model. Also, it's going to have the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all the nerdy stuff that I'd want in a car. And a couple of the other features that it's going to have that have never been in another vehicle are actually ventilated seats. So Subaru's been a little bit behind with some of the like luxury stuff or the more convenience feature things. It's going to have, I believe, 3-zone automatic climate control, heated and ventilated seats in the front. I believe only in the touring, but you'll have to check when the car comes out. I believe this might actually end up being one of the more expensive Subarus, barring the STI, as well though. So this is going to be more of like Subaru's reach into the mid 40s, I believe. So it's going to be a fairly expensive car, but it's going to be really cool. It looks like a Forester and an Outback had a baby, kind of a little bit of WRX in there with the front end, the front lights and stuff like that. But it's going to be an exciting car, and I'm excited to see what it's going to look like. I'm sure it'll drive great. And of course, it's got the standard, Boxer engine. It's going to have a new one as well. I believe it's a 2.4 Boxer turbocharged motor, so it's going to be putting out 260 horsepower and 277 foot-pounds of torque. Yeah, that's what it's going to have. So it's going to be a whole new motor, new chassis, new interior. It's going to be an awesome car. You guys should check it out. Should be, I believe, coming out this summer. I believe it's the first launch, maybe beginning of summer. But yeah, contact your local dealer if you do want it. Watch the rest of my videos if you want to know how to get a good price. This might be an exception because it's a brand new car. There might be enough hype around it that people won't get like huge discounts on it. But yeah, check around, shop around, find your best deal, and go out and get that car. And by the way, leave comments below if you have suggestions for future videos. Click subscribe if you like the videos that I'm putting out. And click the bell icon if you want to get notifications when my new videos come out. And thumbs up if you like the videos, thumbs down if you don't like it, so I know what I'm doing right or what I'm doing wrong. Hope you're having a great day. Talk to you guys later.